Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Listen up, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe to follow the information that I'm going to give you today. It's going to just give you information on how to build a business from home, online or offline using affiliate marketing. I do own a business right from the comfort of my home that allows me to have time freedom. And not only that, spend more time with my children and work from the comfort of my home. So if you are interested in learning how to earn a full-time income from home, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification bell if you find the information that I'm going to provide to you today of any value. So what we're going to do is start off here. You're looking at my screen where I'm giving you some information on some of the payments that I receive through affiliate marketing. And I'm going to talk about a very special program today, but not only that, how to market an opportunity to make sure that you are receiving ongoing commissions and payouts from the opportunities that you're currently are going to get involved in. Even if you are involved in other opportunities right now, maybe you are building a business from home, this information that I'm going to give you today is going to be of some great value because it's going to help you to start getting commissions coming in more consistent. And not only that, it's going to help you take your business to the next level. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit this button here so you guys know that this is not a picture. It's not a screenshot. This is actually a payment that I'm going to withdraw into my bank account from affiliate marketing and some of the businesses that I currently am involved in. And right now I have $663.65. The program that we're going to be talking about is this postcard mailing opportunity. And what I love about postcard mailing is the fact that it is very newbie friendly. If you are looking for something to start off with that doesn't allow you to, it doesn't force you to learn a new skill set, or you don't have to put a lot of time learning a system, this is a great program, okay? So Cash Building System Unlimited is a postcard opportunity, and it's going to allow you to start earning unlimited $25 payouts from the people who receive your postcard and decide to join the opportunity. Now, at phase 2, if you want to take your business to the next level, you're going to be able to upgrade anywhere between $100 level all the way to $5,000 level. You can upgrade to any of these levels. It's a one-time payment, and this is going to get you more income coming into your bank account. But not only that, it's going to allow you to leverage the opportunity to start receiving fast start bonuses, spillover bonuses, upgrade bonuses, and residual income. So if you're looking for something that pays you over and over again by completing the work one time, this is a great opportunity. What you are getting when you join this opportunity is a business in a box. You're going to be able to get the website. You're going to be able to also get a capture page. You're going to get training that's going to teach you how to promote this opportunity online and offline. And not only that, you're going to be able to get all of your supplies from the company, not including the stamps. The stamps you will have to go through another company, but your leads and your postcards, you're going to be able to get them directly from JD Marketing, which is this opportunity, the affiliation with this opportunity, where you're going to get your leads and your postcards in the mail. Now, when you start off at just the $50 level, this is again a one-time payment. It's going to allow you to earn unlimited $25 payments. You're going to get your 200 done for you postcards, 200 leads, member-only discounted pricing, private offline marketing strategies, and you're going to get access to our exclusive Facebook group, okay, for paid members only. If you want more information about this opportunity and you want to take a deeper dive into the website, right below in the description box is going to be information about this opportunity, how to get started, and how to reach out to me if you have any questions, okay? So here, this is my channel. I have put together a 7-day series that's going to give you information on exactly how to start earning with this opportunity. When you get to the videos, you're going to look for the playlist that's going to be for this opportunity. And you're going to go back and you want to start with day one. The reason why day one is going to take you through exactly what you need: offline marketing, online marketing, setting up your funnel to get started. And then we're going to also, starting tomorrow, I'm going to go into some realistic expectations, how many postcards you should be mailing, other marketing methods that you should be including, and what to do before you get started. So we're going to go over that again in tomorrow's video, but please make sure that you go back to the beginning so you are not lost. The playlist will be located here, where if you just go to my channel and click on the videos, you will see the playlist. Okay. So what I would love to do is show you one thing that you're going to need that is very important when you are marketing your business, okay? And that's email swipes. So the reason why we need email swipes is because when you get your website, okay, you are going to want people to go into your autoresponder. Okay. And the way you get people there is by having them go to your capture page. Once they go to your capture page, which is here, you're going to capture their email address. And then once you capture their email address here, so let's just put in an email address here, right? Once a person types in their email and hit this button, it's going to take them to the sales page. Now, what's happening is once they get to the sales page, that email that they plugged in is going to go into your autoresponder, and then you're going to have a series of emails that are going to go out. So what happens is a lot of people get confused with where to go to get the emails. How do you know what's right? And not only that, what is a good email? Okay. And what I want to tell you is this one trick that I learned that will allow you to free up a lot of your time. But not only that, you won't have to put a lot of emphasis into trying to build emails from scratch. Okay. So let's just say we're looking at Cash Building System Unlimited, right? And this is the system that we want to use to get email swipes from. We're going to click on Cash Building System Unlimited Review. Now, you're going to see people here that are promoting this opportunity and that are putting up pictures, thumbnails, and not only that, information about this opportunity, how much they're making and how they're doing with this opportunity. Okay. So one of the things that's very important is the fact that once you go here, you just want to click on a video, and I'm going to open this up in another tab. And I'm going to open up another video. I'm going to open up this video in another tab. And then I'm going to open up this video here in another tab. Now, the reason why I'm opening up these videos is the fact that they are on page one. These are people who are actively promoting this opportunity. Not only that, they have a decent amount of views. And what I want to do is I want to go to their channel. Okay. Once I get to their channel, I want to click down here in the description area so that I can get to their website link. So I'm going to open this up in a new tab for this person. Okay. And excuse me, guys, it's going to be loading a little bit slow. I'm going to close that out because I already uploaded his page. Then I'm going to go here, right? We're going to pause the video. I am going to scroll down into the description area. Okay. And then right here, I'm going to click on his link, which is right here. So we can close that out. Okay. So the ones that we did already, this can get closed out. And then what I'm going to do, let's see here. This is the last video. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to get this link here. Okay. And all we did is we went into the description area so that we can see not only what their capture page looks like, but what we're going to do is we're going to now put our email address into, so this one here doesn't have a capture page. So we don't want to do this one. This just has the sales page. But here we have a capture page. And here we have a capture page. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to put in your name, right? We're going to just act like we're putting it in our name. So for you, let's see. Okay. And then we're going to put in the email address, plug me in 890@gmail.com. And then we're going to put in our phone number, right? Now, the reason why we're doing this is because we want to get on their list so we can start getting their emails. So we're going to hit click here. Once you put in your information, your name, your email, then it's going to take you to the sales page. Now, he has a customized sales page about him and his information. We don't really care about that. What we care about is the fact that now that we have our email on his list, we're going to start getting the email swipes that he sends out to his list, okay? We're going to do the same thing for here. You're going to put in a name and an email address, and then you're going to put, I want to make $300 a day. You're going to click on this button after you put in your name and email. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to start getting emails from these people. All you want to do is you want to go to your emails and open up your emails, okay? Okay, so what I have done is I went into my emails because Eric Goodlife, which is this gentleman, where I'm opted into his list, I started to receive emails from him that he sends out to his list, okay? So now that you have these emails coming in, you don't have to create your own. What you're going to do is use this email to help you create your own email. Okay, that's all you want to do. And when you do this, this is going to help you to start getting people to click on your links. Okay, so let me just show you what to do once you have the emails coming in. And depending on how often he's sending out emails is going to determine how many emails you're going to receive in your inbox. Okay, if you do not see the emails directly in your inbox, you want to check your spam mail and your promotions folder, because if it's not an inbox, it may be in another one of your folders. So you want to make sure you check all of them. Okay, that's very important. So now that you have these emails coming in from another person that's on this in the same opportunity as you, you want to just pull up the email, okay? And you want to check out the email, see what it says, and not only that, if you can resonate with it, to use it. So right here it says, Amanda, this is the game plan. I'm going to open this up. It has a picture here. You don't need the picture, okay? You can use your own picture or you don't have to use a picture, okay? But what we want to do is we want to take this email here and we want to copy it. So I just highlighted it. Now I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to a notepad and I'm going to paste this directly onto that notepad. So as you can see, he has my name. So, and I'm going to show you guys how to put this into your email swipes for people to put these email swipes into your autoresponder for people to start receiving them. So it says, Amanda, this is very crucial. It doesn't have the same exact same thing. You could change up the wording. So I'm going to say, Amanda, this is we're going to put extremely important. Okay. And then it says the plan is to move out, move on, move forward, move up, move away from negative people, move smarter, never stop moving. Click here if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I'm helping 100 people make 100K per year. Let's go. Watch this video. Success is the only option. Okay. So what we're going to do is, if you don't like what this say, you can change it. So I'm going to take this out. The plan is to give back, the plan is to help you achieve financial freedom. And I'm going to say, No, let's see. And sometimes it's going to take some time. Just play with the wording. The plan is to help you achieve financial freedom. How about being able to travel whenever you want? Wait. One more thing. How about being able to spend more quality time with the ones you love, right? And then it says here, click here if you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Click here if you are tired of living paycheck and paycheck and want to make a difference, right? I am helping, and we don't have to put 100, we could put 75 people make 100K per year. Let's go watch this video. Success is the only option. I would put my name here, and then we can keep this here. And I like to put PS, click here to follow me on Facebook, okay? So all I did was, as you guys can see, very simple, I changed the wording. Amanda, so the person's name would be there. This is extremely important, okay? The plan is to help you achieve financial freedom. How about being able to travel whenever you want? Wait, one more thing. How about being able to spend more quality time with the ones you love? Right? I think we need a question mark for here. Yep. Click here if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to make a difference, right? I'm helping 75 people make 100K per year. Let's go. Watch this video here. Success is the only option. Name and then PS, okay? So what we did is we just took this email from Eric and we made revisions on it. And now we're going to upload it into our autoresponder. And this is how you start to create emails that are going to have higher conversion rates. But not only that, you are using it from someone that's doing well in the business, that knows what they're doing, and you don't have to now worry about creating these emails from scratch, okay? And this is one of the methods that I've used for years that has helped me to earn six figures. And not only that, I don't have to worry about paying someone to write email swipes for me. I don't have to worry about wrecking my brain on how to create them from scratch. In another video, we're going to go over how to take this and put this information right into the autoresponder with our links, okay? So guys, this is what you need to do. This is a part of having a funnel, a sales page, capture page. This is one of the pieces of the puzzle that you need to make sure that you start sending people your information in the event they do not buy when they first see your opportunity. Okay, that's very important. So again, this is what you want to do. You want to get on the list of people who are in your niche that are working your business. You want to start seeing those emails coming through to your email account. And then you want to make revisions to those emails. Once you make the revisions, you're going to copy and paste them directly into your autoresponder. Once they're in there, they're done. You don't have to worry about them again. Okay. And this is a very important piece of your business that's going to allow you to take things to the next level. So I want to say thank you so much for tuning in with us today. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you and have a great day.